everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be showing you how to mix half-cast lightning oil. The ingredients for these oil mixtures are grapeseed oil. This oil evens out skin tone, moisturizes skin and gives your skin a soft looking glow. Wheat germ oil. This oil is a natural oil which helps in cleansing the face efficiently. Rosehip oil. Rosehip oil helps to reduce fine line, is rich in essential fatty acid and antioxidant. Sandalwood oil. This oil helps to fight acne causing bacteria, exfoliates the skin, reduces sign of aging. Brightening glycerin. This helps to protect the skin from any dryness. It helps to soothe the skin. Pure almond oil. This oil helps improve acne, reduces the appearance of scars, treats dry skins, and improve complexion of the skin. This is Nano Half-Cast Whitening Serum. Ideally for skin lightening, is also added with kojic acid. Another lightening serum is called Rapid White. Glutathione Whitening Serum. This is added with vitamin C and vitamin E capsules. Then lastly, any essential oil of your choice. I am using sandalwood essential oil. Then I'll be needing a measuring and mixing beaker and then a measuring spoon. Lastly, a container to pour the oil in. So let's start mixing. I'll be needing 30 ml of wheat germ oil and also 30 ml of grapeseed oil, 50 ml of rosehip oil, 50 ml of almond oil, 15 ml of sandalwood oil, 10 ml of brightening glycerin, 5 ml of Nano Half-Cast Serum, 5 ml of Rapid White Serum, 5 ml of Glutathione Serum. And then I'll be adding 2 vitamin E capsules. Then mix. I'll be mixing it with my little electric mixer for all the oil to incorporate. Then lastly, I'll be adding 1 ml of essential oil. Mix it properly and pour it into the container. So there is our half-cast lightning oil. This is good for your skin. It glows your skin, get rid of any scars on your skin and improve the complexion of your skin. Thank you all for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and it will notify you of any upload. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye.